of Egyptian collection, and I'm back with another video. I'm sorry that sounds so uh, uh, um I woke up not too long ago. I'm not even feeling like I'm not feeling it today, y'all. I'm really not feeling it today. Today's not giving. It's not giving. And I guess it's because I'm more likely saying my business. It's not giving. Like, I promote every single chance I can get. I don't know. I don't want to hate brag or none of that, because that's going to put that into me, into my business. I don't want to do that. But I just want to keep it real. I promote every single chance I can get. When I'm off, I try to promote. I'm not going to say try this. I promote when I'm off work. I promote as much as I can. I don't know. I just need like I just need to find my own times to post what works best with the algorithm. It's always the algorithm. Like, if I could just post every time, I really it's gonna either rig the algorithm. I don't know. I just need. Then when I'm feeling like I'm just be into my mind too much, and that's what really be putting me down. Like, I'll be into my mind too much to the point where, why is he doing that? To a point that, oh no, y'all. You don't know. This is me and my night routine. I forgot to say that in the beginning. We're doing my night routine. So, oh my goodness. While we're doing my night routine, starting either this year or next year, my business room is really needed. Like, not only my business room, but also my gaming room too, because I game too. And I want both my business and my gaming room. But with y'all, I'm gonna brush my teeth and do how I do when I'm brushing my teeth. While I'm doing like my night routine and all. Like, I gotta wash my piercing, because my lip piercing, it really and yes, that's my own Listerine. That's my own personal bottle of Listerine. That's my Listerine. My kids have their own. That's my own Listerine. So yeah. But I guess today was like it was just like for me. But just gonna exclude my night routine. fresh face. $2024. God knows. Now I just feel like on my social media, I just follow too much business page. I need to clear that out. It's probably gonna drop me back down, but I don't know. Okay, you guys, if y'all like night routines, morning routines, or anything dealing with skincare type, please subscribe to my video and I'll be back with another video. Bye.